channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of HTG Molecular Diagnostics, and at one point today, this stock, I looked at it, it was more than 44% up for the day. So right now the stock is up 32% and trading at $1.11. Yesterday the stock closed at 84 cents and opened today at $1.05. During the course of today, the stock has gone as high as $1.33, which is just insane. And that was almost 50% up. And the volume right now has exploded. It is at 90 million shares that have exchanged hands, compared to an average volume of just 1.3 million shares. The market capitalization of HTG Molecular Diagnostics is right now at $9.7 million, and the company is actually a life sciences company which focuses on the precision medicine. The company offers instruments, consumables, comprising assay kits and software that automate sample processing and profiles various molecular targets. The company was formerly known as HTG Inc. and changed its name to HTG Molecular Diagnostics Inc. in March 2011. HTG Molecular Diagnostics Inc. was incorporated in 1997 and is based in Tucson, Arizona. The company employs 87 people. So, what is driving the stock price today? Well, there is a publication that highlights a potential clinical application of the HTG Transcriptome Panel in bladder cancer. So what it seems apparent is that they have some kind of transcriptome that they have identified and probably synthesized in the lab, and that is potentially a cure for certain types of bladder cancer. So let's see here if we have some more details. So an article was published in Frontiers in Medicine by one of several participants in the company's HTP early adopter program, and applied the comprehensive HTP to query 19,398 messenger RNA targets in an effort to advance the understanding of how best to treat bladder cancer patients who do not fall into categories identified by routine tissue staining. According to study authors from the University Hospital Frankfurt in Germany, a two-sided classification system based on CK5 and 6 and GATA3 expression using immunohistochemistry may not sufficiently reflect the heterogeneity of bladder cancer to make treatment decisions, especially as it relates to the group of IHC double negative cases. Further analysis using the HTP for mRNA expression profiling was able to assist in identifying multiple molecular and histological subtypes, which has important implications for therapy selection in this heterogeneous group. So basically what they are saying is, I think they have a means of, let's say you have bladder cancer, they will do a biopsy and take some a tissue sample, and the tissue sample will be analyzed using molecular techniques. And previously, they just had they could not actually differentiate to the level of detail that this company can do. So what they have is they have a certain technique that they can use to differentiate to a very, very high level of precision, and that allows patients to be classified, and then based on the classification, therapy can be directed to be most effective depending on the type of bladder cancer that the patient has. So that is very, very critical, because it helps in actually customizing the therapies depending on the type of cancer that a patient might be suffering from. So that is what the innovation that HTG Molecular Diagnostics has brought to the market. Anyways, guys, I will leave you at this point. We still have just about an hour 20 minutes to the closing bell. As you guys can see, the stock market has been struggling today, and it's just the Dow 30 that is barely breaking even at plus 0.39%, and you can see that at the very top of your screens. Also, before I leave, guys, consider smashing that subscribe button. We have fixed a target of 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections in November, and so far I think the past 48 hours we did not get a single subscription. So please, if you haven't done so, consider subscribing to our channel. That will go a long way towards helping us. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.